So here in this map you can easily see where is forest and mountainous soil is found. You can see in the Jammu Kashmir region as well as in the Arunachal Pradesh region you are getting the forest and mountainous soil. Apart from that, if you see the next one, that is alluvial soil. So in alluvial soil you can see the northern plain we are getting basically in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, okay, parts of this Haryana and Punjab. So here you are getting the alluvial soil, and near this particular eastern coastal plain also you can see the alluvial soil you are getting in parts of here Gujarat also you are getting the alluvial soil. Now the next one is the red and yellow soil. So red and yellow soil you can easily see in your map. We are getting this particular red and yellow soil in the parts of Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and in southern states also we are getting the red and yellow soil. Then you can see the black soil, which is very famous for the cultivation of cotton, and it is also known as cotton soil and rigor soil. So here this black soil we are getting in the parts of Maharashtra, as well as we are getting in the parts of Gujarat also, in the parts of Karnataka we are getting this black soil. Then you can see the laterite soil. So laterite soil we are getting here in the southern states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, as well as Karnataka. Very limited availability is there of laterite soil. And then we have the next one, that is arid soil. So arid soil you can simply see in the parts of Rajasthan where the dry climate is there, hot climate is there. There we are getting the arid soil. So in that way, through this map you can easily understand where which type of soil we are getting. Now I'll explain you about the classification of soil, which is also very important, with full properties, where it is found, every detail I'll show to you. So let's start this classification of soil. So let's start the classification of soil. So classification of soil, basically we will discuss on various factors. So these factors are, these soils are found in which areas. The first one is found in which areas. The second one is which type of minerals are found, and the third one is which type of crops are grown in this area, and the last one will see the properties. So let's start first of all from the arid soil. So arid soil is also known as desert soil, and it is also known as sandy soil. It is basically found in the western Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, and the minerals which are found here is known as salt. You can see in the image which is visible to you. Now the which type of crops are grown over this area. So crops are grown like jowar, bajra and groundnut, and here properties we are getting, such as it is sandy in nature, fine, and saline in character. Saline means the salt will be present here. Soil lacks in human as well as humus, as well as the moisture, fine, and the conker also restricts the infiltration of water, means conker will be present. You can see the sandy soil, it is not very not very it is basically having big particles, that is called as conkers, fine. Now the second one is you can see that second one is mountainous or the forest soil. So here it is found in the lower parts of valleys and mountain slopes, and here it is containing minerals such as limestone, dolomite, and it is very famous for the tea and coffee plantation. Okay, and here the properties are, it is acidic in nature, it is having low humus content, and it is silty in valley sides and coarse in upper slopes. Okay, so this is the properties of mountainous and forest soil. Now we have the third type of soil, which is called as alluvial soil, and alluvial soil is very famous in India because it is very fertile also, and it is made up of it is made because of the big rivers, such as we have rivers like Indus river, we have Ganga river, we have the Brahmaputra river. Because of this alluvial soil is found, and this is basically found in the northern areas, northern India. So let's discuss which type of areas it is found. Basically it is found in the eastern coastal plains, in the delta of Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri. As I have told you, river plays very important role for the formation of alluvial soil. It is also extends to Rajasthan and Gujarat, and mainly found in the northern plains. As it is written clearly here, it is mainly found in northern plains. Now the next one is mineral found. So here which type of minerals are found? Here minerals are found like potash, phosphoric acid and lime. So this type of minerals are found here: potash, phosphoric acid and lime. What are the crops grown in this particular area? So crops grown such as sugarcane, paddy, wheat, cereal and pulses. So this type of crops are grown in this area. What are the properties of alluvial soil? So here properties are, the first one is the proportionate share of sand, silt and clay. Okay, this is present here. And it is also classified as khadar and bangar. So this is the very special thing about the alluvial soil, that alluvial soil you can divide into two parts on the basis of age. That is, one is khadar and second one is bhangar. So khadar is the new alluvial soil and bhangar is the old alluvial soil. है ना? I hope this is clear to all of you. Now the next one is black soil. It is also called as cotton soil or the rigor soil. है ना? Why? Because it is best for the cultivation of cotton. And here basically it is found in the Deccan Plateau of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And minerals which are found in this black soil is calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. And what are the crops which are grown in this particular area is cotton and groundnut. As I have already told you, this black soil is best for the cotton cultivation. And what are the properties here? It is made up of lava and clay material. Lava, na? You must remember, when the volcano is erupted in this Deccan Plateau region, then only this black soil has been formed. And here it is holding the moisture as well. It is in black in color. It is sticky when wet, means when water will be there now, so it becomes very sticky, and when it is dry, so if the breaks and cracks you can see in this black soil very easily. Fine. Now the next one is fifth one, that is red and yellow soil. So this red and yellow soil is found basically in the eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and southern part of the middle Ganga plains. Minerals which are found here is the iron and potassium. And what are the crops which are grown here? So cotton, groundnut, maize and sorghum is basically grown in this particular soil. Why the red color is having because of the presence of iron, है ना? So here you can see that reddish color is due to diffusion of iron in crystalline metamorphic rock. Fine. And it becomes yellow when it occurs in a hydratic form. So when we are adding the water now, then the color changes to yellow and original color is red only. Fine. That is why it is called as red and yellow soil. Now the next and last one is laterite soil. Laterite soil basically we are getting in this Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and hilly areas of Odisha and Assam. So in the hilly areas of Odisha and Assam and in the southern states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, we are getting this laterite soil. This laterite soil is having minerals such as iron, bauxite, aluminum oxide, and it is best for the tea and coffee cultivation as well as cashew nut and spices. Also you can cultivate. You all know how famous Assam is there for the tea and coffee plantation. And properties you can see, it is areas of intense leaching, of high temperature and heavy rainfall. Okay, what is the meaning of leaching? Leaching means the removal of the substance from the solid material through running water. So when this type of activities are happening now, then it is called as leaching. Once again I am repeating, leaching is the process of removal of substance from solid material through running water is called as leaching. I hope this is clear to all of you. Apart from that, it is also containing low humus, and it required fertilizers and manure for its cultivation. So for the cultivation basically, hai na? So I hope this is clear to all of you, that is classification of soil. And after classification of soil, we will discuss about the soil erosion, types of soil erosion and soil conservation methods. Thank you.